Hi students, let me start with the basics of Tableau. First of all, when you download the Tableau using Microsoft Excel, you can see this use data interpreter. When you select this, you will see that it is helping us to do the cleaning of the data. So this is has cleaned the data with the help of data interpreter. Okay, this is one thing. Let us go to sheet one. Now let me explain different things in this worksheet. So first where it is written Tableau book one, it is known as title bar. The next file data worksheet, this one is known as menu bar, menu bar. I repeat, the top is title bar, below is menu bar. Next, these buttons are known as quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. These one where it is undo, redo, we have this ascending order, swapping, standard. These are all known as quick access toolbars. And these are known as column cards, rows cards, CARD. This is known as page card, filter card, and so on. Here we can hide card, and you click here on the right side, you can see hide card. So when column is not there, what you have to do, go to the worksheet, show card, and column shelf. Show card, column shelf. This is known as shelf. This one. And the column it is known as shelf. SHELF. And this is known as card. Card and shelf. On the sheet one, you can double click and you can change the name. For example, I want to change the name of sheet one. You can write any bundle graph. Press enter. You can see here it has changed the name. You can do here also on this side. You can edit title like this. You can go on this side. You can hide title. Suppose it is not there, then you have to right click here. Right click on the top. You can hide it. Drop here. Drop field here. You can change here. Undo here. Redo here. So you can do all these things here. Okay. So next comes this portion. This is the green bluish in color. This is known as dimensions, and these are all measures. For example, you can see here it's written on the top dimensions, and here MEASURES dimensions on the top from category to subcategory. These are all dimensions. Dimensions, they are bluish in color, and here it is green in color, bluish and green color. Show me, show me have 24 graphs, 24 graphs. So let us start making something. So basically it is based upon rows, drag and drop, drag and drop. For example, let me drag sales into rows. Now it is showing you sum of sales and subcategories into column. So you can see it has been divided into subcategories. If you press show me, it will not disclose. When you press show me, it will it can change it to different graphs. Here, 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 here. This is known as it. Bubble graph, heat map, bar chart, pie chart, and so on. So here it is undo, 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 On this side, we can clear the sheet. This is clearing the sheet. When you clear the sheet, it's gone. Everything is gone. Pressing it again. Next is you can arrange into swapping. Swapping means swapping rows to column. Rows to column. This is swap on the top. Then we have sort ascending, sort descending, ascending order, descending order. These are all shortcut keys. Swapping, ascending, descending, clear sheet. Now, if you drag subcategories into colors, or category into colors, you can see that colors have been changed, and on the top right side, it has divided to different colors, subcategories into colors. We can label it also subcategory into labels. These are the labels of subcategory. So this is one thing you have to remember. You can change the size, go to automatic. You can change this graph into line graph. You can change it into square graph. You can change into circle and so on. Area graph and so on. So this is one thing you have to remember. Next, let us draw the funnel graph. Go to sheet second. You can go draw let us start drawing the funnel graph. For funnel graph, you have to drag sales into rows, segment into colors. This is the first analysis I'm doing. Segment into colors, sales into size, Now I go to this standard and write here entire view, standard entire view. Now this has been converted into funnel graph. Now the shortcut is that the problem is in this graph is that there is no label. Let us drag segment into labels. Again, we want to convert it to sales into labels. Most of the CEO, they want everything in percentage. So what we will do, we'll go to this sales, quick access toolbar, quick table calculation, quick table calculation, quick table calculation. Now we can change this to percentage of total. We can change to rand, percentile, moving average. So percentage of total, percentage of total. Now again, the font size is too small. I will go to this sales. I will open the format. In the format, you can see A is written. A is written. You go to this A, pane. I will change it to 16. You can change the color also and cross this field. So I repeat, I went here, format, A to the pane and changed the text. Now this you want into presentation mode, you can press F7 or you can press this. It will change into presentation mode. Press escape, you can go back. Again, I repeat, here is presentation mode. Press escape to go back. Let us remove this format font. Now, if I want to copy this into Word file, you can simply right click here and copy. Please note that you should be inside the graph. If you are outside the graph, it will not copy. Suppose I want to copy here, there is no option for copy. So it should be inside the graph and you can copy this graph. It should be inside the graph and copy. For example, here, again inside the graph, copy. Outside the graph, you cannot see any copy. So inside the graph, copy and image. When you press copy image and then press Ctrl V, it will be copied into Word file. When you press this data, it will convert qualitative data into quantitative data. So you press data, go to Excel file, press Ctrl V, Ctrl V. So this is some basic things. Now let us go to sheet next. You can generate different sheets like this. I'm using now, instead of going to the sheet, let me go to the dashboard. Dashboard, this is the dashboard where I can drag my sheets. For example, here I've dragged here, sheet 1, drag and drop. Here, you don't like this, you can close this. You don't like this, go here, close this, go here, close this, and you can see that it has converted into different sheet. You can make adjustment accordingly. You can move this here and there, make adjustment accordingly. Then next is storytelling. What you have to do is you'll just draw this dashboard here and you can write here the story. You can add duplicate, you can add more stories and so on. So this is where we have to read and we reach, and then we have to press this presentation mode. Press escape. So I repeat, sheet 1, sheet 2, you can change the name, then dashboard, and last is storytelling. So this is about, you can add story from here, you can add dashboard from the top. This is all basis of Tableau. Let me show you one thing that is known as grouping. So let us do the grouping of this data. So I'm going to remove this subcategories, or you can change this graph into bar graph. Again, you can change into ascending order, descending order, swapping. So I'm doing the swapping of this data. Now how to do grouping? Just press phone, then you have to hold the control key, or please hold the control key, don't leave it. And here you can see that is written group member. So when you press group member, you can see it has grouped the data. I repeat, press this, hold the control key, don't leave it, don't leave it. Start selecting, and here it is group members. And you can see the grouping has been done. You can see clearly when I have done the swapping, the grouping has been done. So this is all about the basics. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.